I don't have any coffee this morning because I kind of left a little bit late yesterday and didn't get my coffee stuff. So I got this Black Rifle coffee energy drink, I guess, 300 milligrams. But not gonna lie, I hate drinking coffee out of a can. It just sounds criminal and it tastes like not good. But we're just hanging out. I'm gonna start packing up right now and actually head down this trail right here, and this is kind of like a back way into Sedona. So I'm gonna pack up and kind of explore and then meet up with the boys at Broken Arrow at like 8. It's like 7 right now, so I got some time to kind of explore a little bit. But beautiful. It's a little dewy, a little like moist, which is kind of different for me because I'm in Arizona. You know, it's dry, super dry, and the moisture is just a little weird. Dew all over the truck and everything like that. But yeah, we're gonna pack up and head around this trail, kind of explore a little bit, kind of check out the beautiful red rocks in the clouds, which is nice and gorgeous. So let me pack up and we'll get on our adventure. Yeah. Yeah. You're chilling.
You're good.
All good. Perfect.
You sure?
You're good.
Look at my tip.
No, you're good.
Still super fucking weird.
Boom.
Yeah.
Money.
You're good.
Yeah, you're chilling.
Oh, clear.
Yeah, brother. Alright guys, so that was like kind of like the play area. You kind of can play around up on the rocks and everything. Pretty sick seeing the Tundy rip it. And yeah, it was fun. We're gonna keep on going on this main trail right here. Sinkhole is kind of nothing. It's a nothing burger, really. Kind of got to hike to there, and we ain't trying to do all that. So we're gonna keep on going to Chicken's Point and Submarine Rock and do all those goodies. And so far it's been an awesome ride. It is still really muggy outside, so oh, you're gonna clear the Crimson Chain? Yeah. What the hell? Back up, straighten out. Oh, there you go. That does the job. Yeah.
Take up the bean.
Too much power, baby. Alright guys, we made it up to Chicken Point and Little Horse, and you know, it's just kind of touristy trap stuff, and we're just hanging out, so. Alright guys, we had to get out of there. Touristy trap like crazy. There was like a bachelorette party going on. So yeah, I just, you know, stopped, check it out, whatever. But we're gonna go hit actual Broken Arrow, have some fun, so. plastic. You good? Just some plastic. Third exhaust. Power, baby. God damn.
Go slow. Rise up passenger side. There it is.
Alright, we just made it up this rock wall right here. I've never done that line, the far left line, or right line, or whatever it's called, but done this one. This one's pretty simple, pretty easy. But that one is a little risky, but it was a pretty fun time. I did it the first time without filming, and then I went back for a second time, and that's where I had to, like, you know, back up and do it again. But first time I did it first try, so that's what matters. But we're just enjoying the sweaty Sedona time out here. Tundra's doing great. Danny's Tacoma's doing amazing. But we're just hanging out. All right, Danny, with the Tacoma, your first time on Broken Arrow with the Tacoma, what is your thoughts?
It's fun. We definitely need better tires, bigger tires. That's the biggest thing holding me back. If he includes it on the video, the first part of the section where I'm sitting there like a little bitch outside the fucking window, it's because I keep, you know, it's those end links for the sway bars.
Yeah.
It really, like, inside the truck, it feels like you're just like about to tip over. Outside, it looks like you're just like going straight, and it kind of de-escalates my confidence a little bit. But the truck, dude, the truck's doing great.
Dude,
the truck's doing great.
It's been dialed. I mean, dude, these tires are hit and miss. I feel like sometimes they grip on some shit, sometimes they just spin like crazy. So
straight, yeah. I don't know.
go. Straight, we'll be chilling. Apparently there's a traffic jam. No one told me. I thought these guys were gonna get out and fucking film, but I guess I was the one holding up the line with the hill. So Tundra's looking good. Tundra's looking good. Yep. God dang, I feel like I'm gonna pass out. So hot. So hot. You wanna tell Danny to make sure to just stay straight? God damn, I'm sweating. Well, that dip's getting bigger. Yep. No, tell him to go straight. Straight. He needs to go straight. Straight. See right there, he's home free now. You good? Come on. Alright everybody, that's about it for this week's video. Right when we were airing up, it's decided to rain, which is a bummer. I wish it was raining over there, but the air hose broke on the actual air hose on the compressor. So shout out to air hose being shitty. But we're headed out. It's raining. Peace out. Love you guys. Like, comment, subscribe. Hit the hype button if you want to, because I love you guys. Bye.